I will now read the Act of Remembrance, accompanied by Comrade Pierre de Rossier. They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them. We will remember them.
Nous nous souviendrons d'eux. We will remember them.
Fields, the poppies blow between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place. And in the sky, the larks, still bravely singing, fly scarce heard among the guns below. We are the dead. Short days ago, we lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved. And now we lie in Flanders fields.
This morning's text from Ephesians 6, beginning with the 10th verse. Finally, my brethren, be strong in the Lord and in the power of his might. Put on the whole armor of God, that ye may be able to stand against the wiles of the devil. For we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against the rulers of the darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. Wherefore take unto you the whole armor of God, that ye may be able to withstand in the evil day, and having done all, to stand.
Canada, placed by Jackie Hatfield, carried by a cadet. 848, the Scots Highland Company.
Thank everyone for attending our service today and taking the time to honor, thank, and remember our veterans, currently serving members, and their families.
Parade right, turn.